Well, today was another gorgeous day in the Carolinas, and here's a look at the sunset that we saw just a couple of hours ago from our sky cam in Garden City. Just a few high clouds out there making for a gorgeous sunset. Here's a look at your forecast for your overnight hours of tonight. Those temperatures will be falling into the mid to upper 40s everywhere you look under partly cloudy skies, and there may be some areas of patchy fog around tomorrow morning as well. For your Wednesday afternoon, those temperatures will be topping out in the mid to upper 60s and lower 70s everywhere you look under partly sunny skies, and it also will be warmer tomorrow than what we saw today. And let me tell you, that forecast for your Thursday looks even better. Partly sunny skies are expected all day long. Those temperatures starting out in the upper 50s for your morning rush before warming up into the mid to upper 60s as you were heading home from work or school before slowly falling back down into the low to mid 60s. Now, if you're a fan of drier weather and also sunny weather, take advantage of it while we have it for your day tomorrow and also for your Thursday, because come on Friday and your weekend, unfortunately, not looking like it's going to be the exact same story. For the majority of your Thursday, we're going to be remaining mostly dry, but we've got a storm system approaching us from our west. And as we head overnight on Thursday and into your Friday morning, one area of low pressure goes way off the coast of New England, while another area of low pressure heads northward from the Gulf of Mexico, bringing in a lot of moisture everywhere across the southeast, particularly across southeastern Georgia, the whole entire state of South Carolina, and eastern portions of North Carolina as well. And that is why heading into your Friday, it looks to be a very rainy day as well. Now, behind this cold front, a lot of very cold air being ushered in from the northwest, and originally all the models were showing that the majority of the moisture was going to be out of here by the time we got into Saturday, but now the models are starting to indicate we may be seeing a good bit of moisture hanging around as we head into your Saturday. Now, just because we're going to be having a lot of cold air heading into our area at the exact same time that we're going to be having moisture doesn't mean that we're going to have snow. It looks like all the winter precipitation is going to stay across the higher terrain there in western North Carolina, but overall on Saturday, just a very yucky day with a lot of rain, and it will be cold at times as well. Thankfully, as we head deeper into your Saturday and eventually into your Sunday, all that rain is out of here. But let me tell you, that cold air sticks around. So once again, Saturday, a pretty rainy day with some very cold air. As we head into your Sunday, all that moisture is out of our area, and we are left with a pretty cool end or second half to the work week. And let me tell you, this is going to be another very beneficial rainmaker. Originally, the models were only forecasting upwards maybe around 3/4 of an inch upwards to an inch, but now they're showing anywhere from 1.5 inches maybe up to 2 inches, and possibly some amounts higher than that, especially across our inland and border belt counties as well. So another very beneficial rainmaker, just like we've been seeing over the last few weeks, is heading to our area. Here's a look at your extended 10-day forecast for our coastal communities. Take advantage of the sunshine while we have it for your Wednesday and Thursday, because come on Friday and Saturday, it looks to be very, very yucky. We do stay pretty warm for your Friday, but before you know it, we're back into the 50s for your Saturday, Super Bowl Sunday, and right on through next week. And as of right now, the forecast for Valentine's Day, if you're planning on doing something special with your significant other, looks fantastic. Here's your forecast as you head further inland. Once again, if you're a fan of sunny weather, take advantage of it while we have it for your Wednesday and Thursday, because come on Friday, yep, that rain is on the way. Our temperatures stay above average for your Wednesday and Thursday, topping out in the mid 70s. We go back down into the upper 60s for your Friday, but before you know it, that cold air gets ushered into our area, and we're back into the 50s for your weekend, for your Saturday, for your Super Bowl Sunday, before we're eventually warming back up into the 60s and 70s for the rest of next week. And as of right now, the forecast for Valentine's Day looks fantastic. Keep it here at Leaves Weather for all the latest information, and I hope you all have an amazing Wednesday.